Günaydın. Good morning.
We're here in Istanbul.
Taksim Square.
And we're going to be taking you around Istanbul and of course having as much yummy street food as we can possibly eat today. Let's get started.
Over here we got the Taksim Square and we are now on Istiklal Caddesi. There are lots of shops and lots of street food and historical tram line on here as well. Come in. Well, we came across to this beautiful soup shop and I was gonna have soup as well because they have lots of different varieties of soups like intestine, which are my favorites. However, I've seen this on the menu, Arnavut Ciğer. My chances are having Arnavut Ciğer other than in Istanbul are so low. Look at this beauty. Comes with salad. We only gone for half portion if you're thinking why it's small. Arnavut Ciğer is liver. Now I can't remember what country is Arnavut in English, but we're gonna put it down in the description. Arnavut look is a country. It's been found in there, but in Istanbul it became so famous. The liver soaked in flour and deep fried. Bonus is pickle and salad. When they deep fried, crispy outside and soft inside. Let's taste it. This is heaven. It is so soft, like melts in your mouth, cooked absolutely right amount, not over, not under. And you can taste the flour as well, and there's some cumin on top. They put some cumin as well, which made it extra tasty. Simple salad comes with it. Onion, tomato and pepper. Makes it so delicious. When you mix them together, liver and the onion salad with tomato. Them peppers are spicy as well, by the way. It is, as you can see, the pieces are really small, but deep fried, crispy and soft. Delicious.
One thing that Turkey is really famous for is its delicious soups. Now we've covered many of the kebabs and most of you know I'm not a huge meat eater. So one thing I love having when I come to Turkey is the soup. This one that I've got here today is a lentil soup and it looks and smells absolutely delicious. Now what we do with our soup is we squeeze in our lemon. Delicious. I'm also going to put on some chili flakes. And
Cumin.
this is cumin.
Yeah, we put cumin in. Is it?
We've also got another spice. I'm going to put some of that in as well.
Oh, red pepper.
Red pepper. Give it a stir. Look at that. Delicious. Oh, that is so good. And with the lemon, makes a perfect combination, as Gogo would say. This is my kind of food heaven. Definitely don't underestimate the soups here in Istanbul. Delicious.
This vanilla chocolate mango lemon strawberry cream. Come on. Arabica, yürü. Oba. Good. Merhabalar. Buyurun. Merhabalar, buyurun. Ice cream. Oba.
Istanbul ice cream. He's got it. Such a good day. Thank you. Such a good day. Ice cream, everyone. You can't come to Istanbul and not have one of these fun, famous ice creams.
Very good, very nice.
Absolutely delicious. I've gone for vanilla. It's yummy. And what an experience. How are you going to miss that? This ice cream is so rich, so creamy. It's delicious. Should I share it with Gogo, everyone? Good.
Yeah, it's really good. It's so creamy, so tasty, but it's a bit soft. Should be a lot harder, but it's really nice. I like it.
So you can take the little alleyways off the main street and you'll find lots of places where you can eat. There's all kinds of food. You can get every type of food that you can possibly imagine here in Istanbul.
We have bread dessert. Bread dessert in here. This is called bread dessert. Very famous in Turkey because simple. Your leftover bread soaked in syrup. That's it. And your coated cream on top. That's as simple as can get. So every kid can have some sweets. Imagine you putting sugar in your bread for sweet. That's it. This is actually bread called ekmek kadayıfı. I'm gonna have a small bite on that one first. Like, you have to have it with your coated cream, otherwise it won't taste good. I'm not gonna lie, I had better ekmek kadayıfı than this. But it must be something special for Istanbul. It's not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be, because this has to be sweet, but it's not. So I'm looking forward to this one actually. What we have in here is quincy. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm pronouncing wrong, but it's quincy. It's made from this beautiful gem made from quincy, and obviously coated cream on top as well. I had this before as well, and this has always been one of favorite desserts. Wow, it absolutely melts in your mouth. I mean, if you know what quincy is, very, very hard fruit. Looks like between apple and pear, but really very hard fruit. But the way it's softened up, it absolutely melts in your mouth. The syrup is not very, very sweet. It's because it's cooked in this syrup and soaked all in, and makes an extra texture and delicious, delicious taste.
So this one here, this quincy, it reminds me in between a baked apple and a baked pear. It's so delicious because even though it looks really sweet and sticky, it's not overly sweet at all. It is delicious and an amazing texture too. Very syrupy, but not overly syrupy. I want to try this one here. So the texture is a little bit like jelly, in between jelly and a pudding. That's delicious. It's like treacle sponge. I want to try some more. If you know me, you know I'm a proper sweet tooth. I want some with the cream. Gogo's not getting it back. So as well as beautiful mosques here in Istanbul, we also have some beautiful churches. And just look at this one. This is the Church of Saint Antonio.
We have içli köfte. Outside is very fine bulgur wheat, made it like a dough, soaked in the water for about half an hour, and then made a dough from the bulgur wheat and filled in with walnut and mint. As you can see here, smells like really delicious. It's got lemon in it as well as the cumin as well inside it. I can smell the really strong cumin inside there. I'm gonna have a small bite. A bit salty. Deep fried, crispy outside, and soft inside, and the mint is really cooked to perfection with the peppers, cumin, salt, and some spices and walnut. Do you want any cake?
No, thank you.
Okay then. You too?
I was so excited to come to Istanbul just to try these famous jacket potatoes. They are unbelievable. So the potatoes are baked, the outside is crispy, and then they add loads of butter and cheese and they blend it all up, and then they stuff it with as many fillings as you can possibly imagine. We've got everything on there, can't even remember to tell you. And it's topped with ketchup, and it's topped with mayonnaise, and it's got olives, it's got everything that you can possibly imagine, and I'm gonna try it before go because it is amazing. And potato is one of my favorite things. Wow, I don't want the pepperoni because I don't eat pepperoni. The butter comes through, it's salty with them olives. Wow, this is amazing.
If you like a jacket potato, Turkey is the place for you. We don't have jacket potato, we have kumpir, because look at this. Baked in the oven, crunchy outside, soft and mushy inside, and filled with lots of cheese in the bottom and butter. And your toppings, you can pick any toppings you like, as many toppings as you like as well. What we have in here: salamis, onions, cabbage, pepperoni, sweet corns, peppers, olives, gherkins, everything. Potatoes, yeah, we got potato in Kumpir. Spicy, but ketchup takes the spice away. Ooh. Can I have one small bite? Out of 10. Wow.
I'm really not sure if everybody's gonna think I'm really weird, but my favorite part of a jacket potato is the crunchy skin, especially when it's a bit toasted, burnt. famous Galata Tower. It is so busy with people, which is to be expected. What do you think of it, Gogo?
I am so in love with it. That all as well, 1455.
Amazing.
On Tuesday, 29th of May, Tuesday, this has been built.
Wow.
And Friday, the keys has been handed.
Wow. Just look how busy it is though, guys. It's an amazing atmosphere here at the Galata Tower, but it's a little bit busy, so let's head somewhere quieter, Gogo.
That's cool.
We've managed to find somewhere quiet just to thank you all for watching us today. We really hope that you've enjoyed some of the yummy street food we've had here in Istanbul.
The weather in Istanbul today is absolutely stunning.
It's beautiful. Very, very busy, as to be expected. But if you've never been to Istanbul, we highly recommend that you add it to your places to visit. But don't forget to give us a like,
Subscribe,
and a comment. We've got some amazing adventures coming up for you. So make sure you hit the bell button too, and let us know in the comments, what food did you enjoy from our vlog today?
I did all of them actually, as always.
That's as always, Gogo. So it's bye from Kay.
And it's bye from Gogo.
Ta-ta for now.